How to prevent blurred vision. Blurred vision is considered a common issue and millions of people are affected by this. Blurred vision can stay temporary or permanent, and there are many causes responsible for blurred vision. Some people have defected with blurred vision from their birth, and some can develop eye disorders that cause blurred vision and poor eyesight. Blurred vision reasons. Hyperopia. Hyperopia of long-sightedness is an eye disorder when a person feels blurry vision of close objects and can't focus appropriately. The condition can be treated by LASIK surgery or with correct eye lenses. Myopia, also known as nearsightedness, is when a person feels blurry vision in one eye or both eyes and can't see properly the distant objects. Wearing contact lenses and eyeglasses can improve it, but it is a temporary treatment, and LASIK eye surgery is a permanent solution for that. Astigmatism. In this condition, a person gets a blurred vision for all distant things and feels difficulty while focusing on the objects. This disorder causes the unusual shape of the cornea that affects the retina to absorb the proper light for making a proper eye focus on the objects. Cataracts. If a person feels excess cloudy or blurry vision or night halos, it can be a cataract, and it can be a serious eye disorder if not treated on time and lead to blindness. Luckily, cataracts can be treated by surgery, and artificial lenses can help you out. Eye floaters. Many times you have noticed circled dark spots in your eyes like a spider web that floats in the eye. It is quite common, but if it happens constantly, it can be the blurry vision. As a person grows old, the condition can be worse, so if you are feeling the floaters, you must contact an eye expert. Dry eye syndrome. Dry eyes are very common and we feel them many times. Chronic dry eye syndrome can cause blurred eyes, and the best way to prevent it: use good quality eye lubricators, or eye drops that can lubricate your eyes. Excess use of contact lenses. Wearing different colors of contact lenses is a trend and much more comfortable than wearing glasses, but you must know that excess wearing of contact lenses can produce irritation and inflammation in the eyes and cause blurred vision. Diabetes. Studies have been reported that diabetic patients have more eye disorders than others, especially cataracts. If you have diabetes and face blurred vision, you must report to your doctor and consult about eye vision before the condition gets worse. How to prevent blurred vision with home remedies. Using a few ingredients can treat blurred vision, and it is quite easy to prepare and improves eyesight naturally. Ingredients: 200 milliliters of flax seeds oil, 4 fresh sliced lemons, 3 fresh garlic cloves, 10 tablespoons of organic honey. How to prepare. Peel the garlic cloves and mash them with a masher. Take a jar and add mashed garlic, honey, flax seeds oil, and sliced lemons in the jar and mix firmly. Leave it for half an hour and remove all the solid ingredients out from the jar except honey. Place the jar into the fridge. How to take. Take 1 tablespoon before breakfast and before going to the bed. Repeat this remedy for a few weeks and get the expected results.